shot. Hello.
Hello.
No. I'm Fernanda, and this is my mom, Maria.
I'm Nonna Maria.
She's Nonna Maria. She's not my Nonna, but she's my nephew's Nonna. And she takes my Nonna's recipes and helps me understand how to make them. Today, we are making arancini. So we'll show you how to make arancini, which is the rice ball, pretty much rice stuffed with meat and cheese. And just for fun, she does make a rice ball. So arancini and rice ball are different. I didn't know that. She'll show us how to do it.
Arancini with the meat and piselli. Rice balls, it's only with the mozzarella.
Okay, and she'll show us how to do that. So let's begin. Okay, we're gonna boil the rice, but is there a special rice? Because this is like the risotto rice, this one here.
So that's the same.
Oh, it's the same. But when you make risotto, you make it more like al dente, but you want me to cook this until it's cooked right through. All right, we're gonna dump this whole thing in?
Yeah.
Are we gonna use the entire 750 grams?
Yeah. Okay, vamos a dar una padera.
For what?
And garlic. I have to do the meat.
Oh, okay, so there's more to this. You're gonna make the meat as the rice is cooking.
Yeah, I can do that before or after. So.
Okay, but probably easier to work with everything when it's cooled down a little bit. All right. That was not in the deal here.
Fridge.
Yeah. Oh, okay, that's fine.
And
What else? Peas.
piselli.
Is this a regular ingredient for the arancini?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
With some black pepper.
Black pepper. The tomatoes you're going to fry with the pork.
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
And some basil.
And the basil you're going to fry in the pork.
Yeah. We add some salt. Lo buca ciucca, le cose.
Eee!
What?
Oh, I can see why you have to prepare this way in advance, because it takes time even for the water to drain out, eh?
Uh-huh.
Is it going to sit in there for the next few hours, or do you want me to do anything else with it?
No.
Leave it?
Okay,
All right.
this is ready.
All right.
Is ready. Whenever you're ready, give me a call and put this in the fridge.
Okay. Okay. And we might have to cut more cheese depending how much rice we have, I guess. Okay.
And this is mine.
That's yours. Your berries.
Should cover this, you know.
Want me to cover it? Okay.
No.
I'll take care of that. Okay, Ma, here, let me take the mic off you. Ciao. Bye. She has an audience today. I'm not kicking you out. I got things to do.
I'm already on the ciao.
I know. Okay.
See,
And I'll be upstairs.
at the door.
I'm to do. Goodbye. Okay, bye. She's gonna milk this. You have no idea. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we'll see you. Bye, Maria.
No waste.
Se tak slut.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
we put cheese.
Does it matter how much cheese, or is this just to taste?
If you don't put cheese, what are you going to put? Nothing? Only rice?
I don't know. That's why you're here to teach me.
Okay. Start with your hand. We're going to put the eggs.
Okay, I have to mix this with my hands?
Yeah.
Okay. 2 eggs. This was
No, it's more than 2. But
750 gram of Arborio rice. How many spoons of cheese did you put in there? How many would you say? I can go back and count it, but just... I mean, I can go back and rewind and count, but just so I don't have to do that. How many did you add here?
I don't know if it was 7 or 8. I don't know.
Okay. And then you've added 2 eggs so far. And I can use both hands, right? I don't know. Last time I had to use one hand for the eggplant. That was 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs.
Yeah.
Could you do me a favor? Can you take that camera and just show the close-up? Oh, no, not yet. What is that?
Mozzarella. A little bit of mozzarella.
Okay, this is not the mozzarella that's being stuffed inside.
It's the same mozzarella.
It's the same brand?
Yeah.
Okay, you grated this and it's going to...
What do you want me to do?
Just get the camera and just, I want to show the details here. You can, that's it.
me.
I think it's okay. I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to feel for.
And all the time, this one hold the
Okay,
plate.
you told me 2 hands.
I don't say 2 hands. It's all the time you who put 2 hands.
Oh,
One you hold and one you work. Che cosa che sta facendo il matone?
I don't know. That's how I make pasta. I make it with 2 hands. See, the egg is mixed in nicely.
Yeah. Okay, now I have to put the breadcrumbs in here. 1 egg. Okay, beat the egg.
So beat 1 egg. Oh, is it because we're gonna dip?
Wash your hand that don't dry.
Oh, okay. Let's look at the first one. So you wet your hands. You're making sort of like a flat, it's like a little pancake or something. Okay. Oh.
And you have to close nicely.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Go like this. Remember not to have a holes.
No holes. Okay. Otherwise, when you're baking, the ingredients might ooze out. And then you're going to place it on the pan because we're going to freeze them in the pan, and then we're going to put them in a Ziploc or something.
That's right.
Here, why don't we do this? Let's put the cheese there. There. Okay, I'm going to try one. Wet your hand, you said?
Well, yeah.
Wet my hand. How much do I take?
A little bit more. Okay.
Like that?
Yeah.
Flatten?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, maybe feels a bit too much, no?
Okay, put
A spoon of,
yeah.
a little spoon like that.
Yeah.
A little spoon of the meat.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of cheese, no? And then close it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, the pressure. Eee! Oh my goodness. You close it. Oh, okay. It's not bad. That. Oh my goodness, that was actually not too bad. And then keep patting it down until there aren't any holes left,
Mm-hmm.
or openings or cracks or anything. Oh, maybe I have to add a little more on here. Can I do that? Oh, thanks. It's like Band-Aids. You make yours long like an egg?
Long rounds, doesn't matter.
Is that considered a hole?
No.
How about that? That might be a hole. This might be considered a hole. Right there. It's okay?
Nice.
And then I'm going to...
It's okay, maybe we're going to do that in there.
Oh, okay. So just make a bunch of them?
Yeah.
Is that okay? Too small? Too small.
You're cheap.
I knew. I always think I'm going to make them too big.
And then you're not going to close it. Here, don't go straight like this. Here.
Okay. Like a pocket.
And it's,
How do you actually bake them? Or do you fry them?
you have to deep fry.
These have to be deep fried?
Mm-hmm.
So vegetable oil in a large pot.
Yep.
We're not going to make any today though, right? We are?
Det godaste moment är så.
I don't want to bake today.
This is not bake, it's fry.
I know, but still, it
Friggere.
involves having to get pots and pans and oil.
What do you think the kitchen is for what?
I know, but it's already late. Okay, just a couple, just to show me, okay?
Okay, I'm in the pie.
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Okay. You,
Oh, I keep forgetting to wet my hand. Wet your hand.
one time I did this.
What do you mean one time? You did what?
Arancini. I never make arancini. I did only once.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Where the hell did we get the arancini that you gave us? Or that when we come over you have arancini? Who's making them?
Se tu non ti ricordi che buono.
What do you mean?
I did make once, long time ago.
So you've only made arancini
Once.
once in your life?
Yes.
So where are you getting the arancini that are in your freezer?
Those was not the arancini. Those are rice balls.
Oh my God.
Only with rice and mozzarella.
But those you made? The rice balls?
Those I make.
Okay. So it's the same idea, but you're just adding the rice balls. Do you have the same ingredients in the rice? Like the cheese and the egg, everything. So all you're doing is, for the rice balls, you don't add the meat.
That's
Is that
right.
what you were saying before? The croquetti di riso or whatever?
Yeah.
Okay. I get it. So see that little one, that odd ball over there? That is a rice ball. The others are arancini. Thank you very much for helping me make rice balls.
For teaching you or helping you?
Both. You
Oh.
pretty much did all the work. But teaching me, now I know how to make them. Arancini and the rice balls. Thank you very much, Ma.
You're welcome.
And very creamy. If there's a Southern Italian recipe that you'd like to learn how to make yourself, comment below and I'll ask my mom to do it. Buon appetito!
Ciao.